Quit dreaming if you won't start doing. Dreams without action? They're just fantasies. You can journal, plan, and talk all day long, but if you're not moving, you're not building. Everyone wants to be great, but most won't take the first step. Why? Fear, laziness, perfectionism, excuses dressed up as waiting for the right time. Here's the truth, you don't need more motivation, you need momentum. Start now. Start messy. Start small, but start, because the world doesn't reward what you think about. It rewards what you act on. So if you're serious about your dream, quit talking, quit overthinking, start doing.